What is going on today, my fellow Enshrouded players? Today, I bring to you the number one building tip in the game, and that is how to build invisible bases. You can create as many online games as you want to the public. They can come in and join. They'll never be able to steal anything out of your bases anymore. And this is not a glitch. This is just using what the devs have given us to be able to create these bases that are invisible to them, but you know they're there, but they don't know they're there. And how you do that is very, very easy. First, you create your altar on ground, above ground. Okay? Try to upgrade that as much as you can. If you can't upgrade it, that is fine. Craft another altar and place it at that edge. Okay? Now, what I've done is I have been able to upgrade my altar. So I've made that really big square. Okay? And then I've ran to the edge of it and ran even farther away. Found a spot on the map and dug underground back to the red line. Now, this is just for this tutorial here on this video. This is because I have an altar above this spot, above ground, that so you can see these red lines. What's going to happen here is, though, I have to destroy that altar. And the reason why I have to destroy that altar is because I don't want you digging around this area. But the reason why I have another altar built is so I can pull my rake out and block the tunnel from even existing. You won't even know it's there. Okay? So this is underground. All of this. This is all underground. Okay? So this is my second altar. I actually have 3 altars plus my main altar that allows me to have a base above ground that the random people can come in, join, see them. They're all over the map, right? You can destroy those bases. I don't even care, but you'll never get to anything that is underground because you don't even know it exists, right? Now, this altar I will remove. I gotta run through this tunnel a little bit more, and then I block off that entrance. And then I run a little bit farther along, I remove another altar and I block off that other entrance. So I have 2 entrances that lead to the main entrance that I have blocked off. Now, another thing you do not do is bring your heroes down here. You leave your heroes above ground at your main altar. So right now at the start of this base, I am underground, met the red line, and I started building right here really where you see. Okay? This is where I can build from. Right here. And then I built a little bit into that, and I've gone down. Like down. And I built a massive, this is what I call my storage facility. This is a massive storage facility. Okay, these are just doors that lead to other doors and more doors that lead to other things, and I'm expanding that. But we're just gonna close this one. Now, the reason why you do not bring your heroes down here is because the heroes have that little bubble above their head that it's either blacked out with dot 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 dot, or it's got writing on there that people can see. And you don't want them down here. You want them above ground at your main base. Above ground. Alright? So that way they can do whatever they want in there, destroy, take whatever, because that was there for them. But they'll never know this stuff even exists down here. None of it. They won't even have a chance to even dig down this far to even get to it, because they just can't. It's not because they can't, it's because they just can't. There's not enough time for them to figure it out. You know how big of a square that is? And they've got to start digging. And even getting to that, I've placed other altars to be able to dig into another altar. So it's really complicated for them to even try to find a base like this. I have another base that is built on the map where I dug out a whole area and I built a castle inside of it that I can actually look at and see the castle built all underground. I can, like, instead of this, like, I can turn right here and just look, and there's just a castle in the distance that you can see. It's all underground. It's massive. It's a huge castle. It looks amazing. Um, you can do that, and they don't even know it's there. They don't. Okay, so that is how you build invisible bases. You can create as many public games as you want online. Never have to worry about anything happening in your game. As a matter of fact, I have not even beat this game yet. I'm only a level 12 because I have spent countless and countless hours just building underground. I have a tunnel system underground that can get me from point A to point B. There's certain spots where I can't build and certain spots where I can build, but I can pretty much travel all underground if I want to and never have to see an enemy above ground. I can just, it's pretty cool. All right. So this is how you do it. And if you want to play with other people, go for it, because I do all the time. I stream this game, and I've never had, not one time has anything of mine ever been stolen at all, except the stuff that I've allowed you to destroy above ground, because that's how most people are. They just, they're keyboard warriors. They get into a game thinking they're a hot shot, laughing about, yeah, I destroyed that guy's base, took his whole roof, hee hee hee. That was cool. That was there for you to do. But you never got none of this. And everything else that I've got down here, and any of my other bases, you just have never done it. You can't. It's impossible. And the devs have allowed us to do things like this. They've already thought of this. Like, you know what? People are going to come in and ruin bases. Maybe they didn't think of doing what I have done here, but you can build a base that people don't even know exists. It's invisible to them. They can't see it. This is all underground. And I've got massive tunnel systems underground built all over the Enshrouded. Okay? So I hope this has helped you. If you want to party up and play sometime, I am in Discord. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to join. I'm also streaming on Twitch, Chaos SBK. You can come hang out and get some games in. I'll join your game. I'll play with you. We can do lots of things. Pretty cool things. But anyways, GG. I hope this has helped you. And if it has, please leave that sub. I am trying to grow. And everybody out there, stay safe, have a great day, and be blessed.